Hi, Mike Kennedy with you. We're looking at 2 yard sale mess kits. This one's Boy Scouts of America, Be Prepared. It says Regal here, so I assume that's the manufacturer. It's got a person's name scratched in the top. We'll see that later. Then we have this one, and I can't quite read the label on this, but maybe that says inside again. It looks like it says Palco, but we'll see. Just thought it'd be interesting to look at these. I probably spent anywhere from 50 cents to $2 or $3 on these. So we'll open this one up first, and it looks like it's belonged to Eric Heath. Okay. Here we have a little pot that opens and a cup. Very nice. There's room in here to put a spork. Look, there's some crumbs in here even from last time it was used. You can tell this was used quite a bit. Banged around. Oh, there's a... Yep. And here we have... Oh, it's Evic, it looks like. No, maybe it's Eric Heath again. So, thank you, Eric Heath. Now, it's neat how you put them back together right. They will fit all back together. But not the way I did. Push down a little bit, I guess. It would help if I had it right side up. If something doesn't work, change your approach. Don't keep trying to do it. Okay, so we saw what was in this one. As you may or may not know, Boy Scouts is filing for bankruptcy. Not doing too well after their changes to their initial stance on certain moral issues. And other organizations have sprung up to replace them and are doing quite well. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, we've got the same pot. Oh, almost identical. Aha, this one we can read. And it looks like it says Palco. There we go, Palco. This one looks like it's hardly been used. And again, you know, there's quite a bit of room in here. You could easily put, like I say, a spork in here. Either a metal or a plastic one. There's room in here to put a fire starting kit. You know, you could have a ferrocerium rod, you could have your kindling in there, or you know, to start a fire with whether it be some natural material you found like birch bark, or you could have the cotton balls soaked in wax. Of course, you'd put them in something so that you'd another container just to keep your like in a bag or something, a plastic bag, to keep it out of contact with your eating surface. These are all aluminum for lightweight. Gee, I was in Eastern Mountain Sports the other day, and I was looking at things that they had, and they had a small pot with a cover, one of which I got in aluminum, I think at a yard sale for $1, and in the new titanium version it was $60. So titanium, if you can afford it, is the new lightweight metal. I'm sure at this time, oh, didn't get that on quite straight, when these were made, probably they weren't even there having something in titanium wasn't even an option back then. So there we go. A Tale of Two Mess Kits. Palco and Boy Scouts of America. Be Prepared by Regal.